Meditation for manifestation. Find a comfortable seat, close your eyes, or keep them open with a soft gaze. Now, take a few deep breaths to relax your body and quiet your mind. Set an intention for what you wish to manifest at this time. Perhaps prosperity, fulfilling relationships, or success in a venture. Choose one area to focus this practice on. Visualize your desire as already achieved. Picture yourself living this new reality with as much vivid sensory detail as possible. See the sights, hear the sounds, feel the emotions. Make it feel real. See yourself energetically embodying the state of your intention fulfilled. Whether that is freedom, confidence, or abundance, inhabit this fully. Now begin repeating empowering affirmations related to this manifested outcome, such as I am healthy and whole, or I attract joyful connections. Feel the truth resonate through you. With each affirmation, imagine your desired outcome becoming firmer, clearer, and more tangible. See any obstacles disappearing. Hold unwavering faith that your intention is attracting and moving toward manifestation, even if you don't yet see it. Feel gratitude for it coming to fruition in perfect timing. Stay immersed in this state of belief, gratitude, and embodied visualization for as long as feels comfortable. When doubts or distractions arise, gently return to your affirmations. To close, express gratitude to the universe for supporting you and trust that your intentions are unfolding even if the timing is not yet clear. Release attachments to how they manifest. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling reconnected to your truth and power. Gently open your eyes when ready. Carry this momentum forward through inspired action steps. Remember, you can return to this manifestation meditation anytime you want to realign with your deepest desires and attract them into form.